Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2019 DRV Mobile Suites. It's the 36 RSSB3. Come on inside, let me show you. This new Mobile Suites has the new More Ride assist step that's very solid step, real easy to get into. And this is going to have the new light interior that the Mobile Suites come out with. Very, very elegant colors, as you can see. Starting off on the door side here, we got our dinette area with a table that expands out, has an extra leaf, fills in the middle, locks on the sides, got two more folding chairs upstairs, stored away. Plenty of lights, overhead cabinetry all the way throughout the whole slide out here. We have the wooden valances, that's an option. Nice desk area behind the dinette area with USB and 110 plug-ins. We got the power furniture here, the theater seating that's heat, cool, vibrate, and power all through. The roof line here comes straight out, so it does not taper, which gives us the cabinetry all the way down the full length of the slide out, which makes it very nice for storage. Dual pane insulated windows. Nice big couch area here across the back end with a little nightstand beside each end of the couch with the MCD roller shades. Again, full width crossways of the overhead cabinetry throughout, that they took full advantage of being able to use the area and space for cabinetry throughout. The center section is backlit with the glass inserts in the cabinet. And then we come around here to the outdoor side with the big smart TV. It's an LG smart TV. JBL soundbar system. The Furrion fireplace. Little pull-out drawer here. Soft touch closed drawers. Again, more overhead cabinetry. We got the Sony Blu-ray DVD player and our power antenna for TV there. Cabinets throughout. Storage beside the fireplace on both sides. This has got the Louisiana carpet cut, so we don't have carpet in the back end of the living area. It's plank floor all the way through, and these are individual planks. It's not from a roll that they roll out, staple down. They're individual planks. Very, very nice feature that the Mobile Suites does. Again, we have full open cabinet doors here, backlit, glass inlay, adjustable shelving. Very, very nice. The appliance garage pulls out. Plug in behind for our cook, maybe our air fryer, toaster, coffee pot, what have you. Very, very nice cabinetry. Nice wood, nice stain. Big, huge drawers, nice clear cut plywood drawers with the soft touch close all the way down, and then we got the big one here. In the island, we have the big dishwasher, drawer below, cabinet space underneath the kitchen sink area. One-piece aluminum square cut sink, two-piece rinse sink, wash sink, spray nozzle. Very, very nice. Big countertop area. Another drawer here on the end. And then we got a nice big drawer for the garbage can, so it's not exposed. Inside the cabinet looks very nice. Notice the backlit cabinetry. The nice 3D dimensional woodwork on the island. More 3D woodwork above in the kitchen light fixture. Whirlpool microwave convection, just like we'd use at home. Again, more cabinetry. Big hold up there for the cooktop cover. This has got the Furrion 3-burner cooktop. I call it the griddle top. Nice big oven with direct spark ignition for the oven as well. Solid service backsplash. Plenty of lighting throughout. The big Whirlpool residential refrigerator freezer. Storage above. Storage beside. storage throughout the whole thing. This has got adjustable shelving. We got a backlight there for the shelving in here. And then down below, all adjustable. Monitor panels in the closet where we can hang up our coats. Full monitor panels there. Turn on our Wi-Fi Ranger, which this has. Your gauges and monitor panels here. This one has a generator on board, has the power control system, several air conditioners, very, very nice. Breaker panel and fuse panel down below. Come on upstairs, I'll show you some more detailed work. Nice solid door with the glass inlay going up into the bedroom bathroom area. On this side we got the bifold doors. Lit area here if we want to put a stackable or a two-piece washer and dryer set up for either or with storage space and lit inside the cabinet area. And then inside the bathroom, lots of cabinet space, nice porcelain toilet, storage for all of our linens, fantastic fan in the ceiling, big shower, nice vanity area and sink area in the bathroom. Walk into the bedroom. This one just showed up, so I apologize for not being set up, but does have the nice comforter. There's your two folding chairs. Nice wood backboard with cabinets above the bed as well. Padded ceiling standard. Fantastic fan in the bedroom. Nice closet and 3D work here with the mirrored closet doors. Cedar lined. We got drawers inside the closet. We got little pockets there for a shoe rack. Got plenty of hanger racks here for our clothes. Built-in safe. Got the carpet pads for the steps coming into the bedroom. Got the wall switch for the light. And a nice positive lock for the doors. No longer have to worry about the doors sliding open in transport. Nice big vanity here. Backlit lighting. Day and night shades, LG TV in the bedroom, more cabinets, storage under the bed. This thing is incredible, extremely nice, just like at home. Come on outside, we'll do a walk around the outside, show you some neat features. This is going to have the half body paint with a full coat of clear over. So very, very nice automotive style paint job. Big thick baggage doors, 3¼ inch walls, very well insulated. This is going to have the nice big storage tray. Access through both sides. 1000-watt inverter direct for the refrigerator. This has the bedroom slide out. Two end caps up front, so we have the bottom lower cap and the front end cap all painted. It's going to have our double power awnings with the aluminum encasement for the Uniguard awning covers, all power. Morite pin box. Generator in the center, battery box area here. Big slide out. Big 10-gallon propane tanks on a pull-out tray. Other side of the basement here with our access to our leveling system, as well as that being on a remote. Full manifold system for our water system here. Full house filtration system. Wool insulation. Very accessible for our furnace and fittings there. Big gas and electric hot water heater. Our pull valves inside the compartment there. Big living room slide here. This is going to have our 17.5 wheel and tire with the wet bath bearings and the lug nuts that are tapered so they won't back off on you. It's a very nice feature with the Kodiak disc brakes. 17.5 heavy load tires. Big 50 amp cord reel that's electric. one-piece end cap on the back end. Everything's LED lights. This is going to have our receiver hitch on the back end with plug, accessible to the roof with ladder. This one's got the backup camera. Nice big one-piece end cap. Very, very elegant looking coach here. A little bit of storage on the side here in the back end. And then the patio dinette slide out here, again with the second awning. Very, very nice. Again, just a quick run over on the 36 RSSB3 by DRV Mobile Suites. Very, very nice looking product. Feel free to give me a call direct at 541-979-1770 if you have any questions on this product or any product that Guaranty might have in stock. We have a lot of units in inventory for your disposal, so please give me a call. Thank you and have a great day.